Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the normal gem in Pokémon Legends ZA. Alright, let's begin. The normal gem is useful for increasing damage, especially when using strategies like the Dragonite method for grinding trainer battles and working toward the shiny charm. To get the normal gem, you need to travel north of Lumiose City. First, unlock the waypoint near the Lumiose Museum. You can do this by walking past the museum area or by flying directly to the Rogue Pokémon Center, located far north of Lumiose City. From the Pokémon Center, head to the right to reach the Lumiose Museum. Enter the museum and speak to the NPC standing inside. He will give you a side mission that requires finding 12 pupils scattered around the museum area. This side mission usually becomes available early in the game once you unlock world exploration and side missions. Follow the paths around the museum, including upper and lower floors, and locate all 12 pupils. Once all of them are found, return to the NPC to complete the mission. As a reward, you will receive 3 normal gems. Equip them to your Pokémon to boost the power of one normal-type move. So that's basically how you can get the normal gem in Pokémon Legends ZA. That's it for this video. Thanks!